Welcome! Today we're making cheesy chicken quesadillas. The complete list of ingredients is at the end of this video. So we're preparing our filling. I have shredded Canadian Monterey Jack. I love using Monterey Jack for the Mexican recipes. You can also buy jalapeno Monterey Jack. Today I'm going to add jalapeno directly in my filling. So mix in some barbecued shredded chicken. This is store-bought. Leftover chicken works fine too. Directly in the cheese. Store-bought salsa. This is easy. And chopped jalapeno and cilantro. If you don't have it, just skip this step. Mix it well together. And I'm using a whole wheat large tortilla. You can use a smaller one or a plain one if you'd like. And just fill half of it. And fold it over. And we're ready to cook this. I'm using a pancake pan. If you don't have it, any non-stick surface will do. You can even put them in the oven on a cooking sheet. And the cheese will melt. It'll take a few minutes. I have time to prepare a dipping sauce. So to prepare the dipping sauce, store-bought salsa, Canadian cheddar. I'm using mild, I have kids. But if you'd like, use aged. And sour cream. This is ready, as simple as that. We can dip our quesadillas in there. Beautiful, double cheese. And we're ready to flip the quesadilla. Look at this color. It's gonna brown on the other side, and it's gonna be ready to serve. And now, my favorite time. You could also cut these into wedges and serve as a snack. And nice dip. Buen provecho.